Intro. Welcome back. Today we are breaking down the Q4 FY26 standalone financial results of Axis Bank Limited. The board has recommended a final dividend of 1 rupee per share. This represents a 50% payout on face value and reflects steady shareholder returns. Let's quickly decode the quarter. Income. Axis Bank reported total income of 38,746.64 crore rupees in Q4 FY26. This included revenue of 32,724.09 crore rupees and other income of 6,022.55 crore rupees. Total income grew 0.64% quarter-on-quarter and 1.9% year-on-year. Net interest income stood strong at 14,457.18 crore rupees, with 4.68% yearly growth. This reflects stable core lending performance. Asset quality. Gross NPA was reported at 16,083.65 crore rupees, with a GNPA ratio of 1.23%. Net NPA came in at 4,789.59 crore rupees, and the net NPA ratio stood healthy at 0.37%. Provisions and contingencies increased sharply to 3,522.21 crore rupees. This was a major rise year-on-year and reflects a prudent balance sheet strengthening approach. Operating expenses reached 10,466.31 crore rupees. Employee costs alone contributed 3,114.75 crore rupees. Profit before tax declined to 6,491.21 crore rupees. This was a sharp 30.9% fall year-on-year, mainly due to elevated provisioning. Net profit after tax stabilized at 7,071.31 crore rupees. While profit declined slightly year-on-year, it rebounded nearly 9% quarter-on-quarter. Basic earnings per share stood at 22.76 rupees. This remained close to last year's level, showing consistent earnings strength per share. Overall, Axis Bank delivered a stable quarter. Moderate top-line growth and stable asset quality were balanced by heavy provisioning pressure. Still, the bottom line stayed resilient due to tax adjustments. For more such result breakdowns, like, share, and subscribe. Overall, Axis Bank delivered a stable quarter. Moderate top-line growth and stable asset quality were balanced by heavy provisioning pressure. Still, the bottom line stayed resilient due to tax adjustments. For more